Hello everyone and welcome back to another video presented to you by Knowledge Hub. In this amazing video, I'll be telling you how to install and set up Python on your PC. So I'm using the Windows operating system. So if you're not using Windows, then you can refer to some other video. Otherwise, I'd recommend you to see this video. So first of all, you just have to open up your browser, internet browser. So I'm using Opera GX. Okay, so after you open it up, over here you just have to okay, so on the top there's an option called enter search a web address. So over there you have to type python.org, which is python.org. So you go there, click enter. So after you click enter, you're redirected to another website, web page, you can say, where another Python website. So over here, if you see, you have to hover your mouse over the download section. So python.org automatically detects which operating system you are using, and it shows this option. But just in case if it's wrong, so suppose you use Mac OS and it says download for Windows, so you have to click on view the full list of downloads. Okay, so over here it shows Windows, Linux, Mac OS or others. So you can click on anyone which you've used. So as I'm using Windows, I'll close this. Okay, so here we'll be downloading the latest version, which is Python 3.9.5. So there's also another note that Python 3.9 cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So I'm using Windows 10, so I can download it. But just imagine if you're not using if you're using Windows 7 or earlier version. So again, you have to click on view the full list of downloads. Click on Windows because you're using Windows, and then over here, this is the latest Python 3 release, so this is 3.9. If suppose you're using Windows 7 or earlier, then you have to click on latest Python 2 release, Python 2.7.18. Okay, so because we are using Python, one second, because we are using Windows 10, so I'll just hover my mouse over downloads and click on Python 3.9.5. Now it opens up your file explorer. So over here you have to choose a path or your folder where you want to save it. So I'm gonna save it over here in desktop, and click on save. So after it shows download complete, so next you have to open up a new tab. So here we'll be opening the download section. So here is a shortcut. You just have to type Control plus J. So if you type it, your downloads opens up. Otherwise, one second. Alright, so I'll just show it to you. So as I was saying, if you type Control plus J, your download section open up. Otherwise, if you're using Opera GX, then over here on the top right corner there's a downloads option. Just click on that and click on show more. So again your downloads open. Imagine if you're using Chrome. Okay, so I've opened up my Chrome browser. So I'll just sign into my account, and okay, so over here on the top right corner there are three dots. You have to click on that and click on downloads option. Okay, so it is fifth from the top. So this is it, and your download section opens. So now because I downloaded in Python, I'll just use this. So after doing this, there's the first one which shows the Python 3.9.5 AMD64.exe. So all you have to do is click on open. Okay, so after you click on open, then you can close your internet browser, and there's a new window on your screen. So over here it shows install Python 3.9.5 64-bit. So first you have to click on add Python 3.9 to path, and then click on install now. So after you do that, there's an option allow the software to make changes to your PC. So you just click on yes. Okay, and if you think this is not a trusted website, then let me show it to you. So we had gone to python.org. So if you can see here, it says connection is secure, meaning there are no viruses or anything. So this may take a while to get installed, so we'll just wait until then. Okay, so it's done now. So it says the setup was successful. So now you just have to click on close. So now if you can see, Python has been added to your desktop screen. Okay, so now I'll be telling a few shortcuts to open up the compiler. So first, on your search menu, type in IDLE, which is ideal. So this opens up. So don't click enter, just click on open file location. Okay, so over here you can see it has opened it. So just left click once on it and select it, then right click once, and there's another drop down list, or you can say pop out list. So all you have to do is click on create shortcut. So you can see idle python 3.9.4 64-bit 2. So you just click on that and drag it to your desktop screen. So now the shortcut has been added, so it's on your desktop screen. And imagine if you don't want it here, then you just type in idle again, and over here you can one second. Okay, and here you have to click on the option pin to start, and if you pin it to taskbar, then it comes here as well. So if you click on pin to start, then here when you go to the Windows option, so here you have it right here, idle python 3.9 64-bit. So now just to run a little test, I'll open it up from my taskbar. Okay, so now to test if it's working or not, you just have to write whatever I'm writing. So type in print, open parentheses, quotation mark, and write hello, and and so if Python says hello back to you, that means it's working. If you have any issues, you can just write it in the comments below, and in the descriptions I've also added two links on numbers and mathematical operators to perform in Python, and how to make if and else, how to write a program with if and else statements. So thank you for watching the video, and if you have any suggestions, write them down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.